So guys, if you were hoping that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 line would be based only on the Snapdragon 865 Plus, or that the Exynos 990 would be replaced with some kind of updated processor, it looks like you will be disappointed. It seems that the global version of the Galaxy Note 20 models will arrive with Exynos 990 just like the Galaxy S20 series. Leaker Ice Universe has issued a tweet hinting that Samsung will continue with the Exynos 990 processor in the Galaxy Note 20 series outside the US, and fellow leaker Max Weinbach has piled on, saying that the Exynos 990 will be used in the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. The Exynos 990 is not a bad chipset, but when it comes to performance, the Exynos processors are slightly less powerful than the Snapdragon processors. The Exynos 990 chip also proven to be slower in side-by-side benchmark testing versus the previous Snapdragon 865 processor. Now it is being said that the US variant of the Note 20 will come with the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, and it will make the US variant even more powerful than the Exynos 990 powered variant of the Note 20. So using the old Exynos processor in the latest flagship smartphone will definitely not be a good decision. Weinbach shared a list of the chips that Samsung's One UI is going to be supporting. For those who don't know, the One UI 2.5 is what will be running on the new devices that Samsung is launching next month. Weinbach says he has not seen any references to the rumored Exynos 992 in Samsung's firmware. Samsung reportedly has a new 6nm Exynos 992 chip in the works, which would be more efficient. If you remember, there was a report that the Exynos 992 is going to enter mass production in August, the same time when Samsung is launching the Galaxy Note 20 series at their Unpacked event. Could it be that Samsung's decision to use the older chip is simply because they could not get the newer ones out on time? Samsung's decision to stick with an older chip for international variants is definitely going to cause a commotion amongst people who skipped the Galaxy S20 series and waited for the Note 20 series instead. So that's it for today guys. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.